In this tutorial, we'll show you how to submit both consolidated e-invoices and normal e-invoices in the SQL POS system. From the home screen, click Settings. When the Settings window appears, click the Settings button under E-Invoice module. Now, I'll follow the highlighted settings. When you're done, click OK. Next, go to the SQL Account tab. For posting type, choose Each Bill Real Time. For default customer code, select your default customer so you won't have to choose one after every sale. Then, click OK. Submitting e-invoices, cash sales consolidated. Make sure you've selected the correct customer. Click Payment and choose a payment type. Double-check your details, then click OK. Click Receipt. And go to the E-Invoice tab. Use the filter to find your invoices. Select all and click Submit Consolidate e-invoice. Congratulations, your consolidated e-invoice is submitted. Submitting e-invoices, customer accounts. Again, make sure you've selected the right customer. Click Payment and choose a payment type. Check your details, click OK. Go to Company Info/e-invoice. For single submissions, click Submit e-invoice. For batch submissions, go to Receipts. Click e-invoice. Select All and click Submit e-invoice. Congratulations, your e-invoices have been submitted. QR TIN lets your customers submit e-invoices on their own. To enable this feature, go to E-Invoice module settings and click QR TIN. Tick the checkbox. Click OK. Here are examples of QR TIN enabled and disabled when the receipt is printed. When a customer scans the QR code, they'll be redirected to SQLPOS.com. Here, they can review their details before submitting their e-invoice themselves. After submitting, they'll see confirmation that their e-invoice is validated.